exposing the incredible power of Nikon's latest innovation, the COOLPIX P1100. Nikon has just unleashed the COOLPIX P1100, a compact digital camera with an astounding 125x optical zoom lens. From 24mm wide-angle shots to 3000mm super telephoto, this camera captures it all, whether it's birds or celestial bodies. Powered by Nikon's advanced X-Speed image processing engine and featuring a top-notch Nikon lens, the P1100 delivers stunning image quality even at extreme zoom levels. Nikon's dual-detect optical VR system ensures your handheld shots remain sharp and steady, equivalent to 4.0 stops of image stabilization. Plus, with 4K UHD video recording at 30 frames per second, your footage will be just as crisp and detailed. New usability enhancements include improved autofocus for birdwatching, customizable function buttons, and a comfortable grip for extended use. Whether you're into birdwatching, moon photography, or just need a powerful zoom in a compact body, the COOLPIX P1100 has got you covered. Available late February for $1,099.95. Don't miss out on the ultimate zoom experience.